Okay, guys, we are hello, people from the outside of the screen. It's Mr. Milady, and today we are back again with this Tycoon, Resort Tycoon. And last episode, we just finished building the warehouse. Where? The warehouse. Okay, so yeah, it's this fish place, and we bought a 17,000 thing. And I think today we're gonna try to get the forklift and finish the shack. So yeah. We got a lot of money coming in. Like right now we have 8,000 to collect. And right now I have 19,000. I don't think it'll be that hard to get 50,000. So I think, yeah, that's what we're going to try to get. There's a lot of stuff to buy at a shack. A wooden dock. Is it going to expand the shack or something? Oh, I just fell. Ooh, a fishing dock. I'm going to do that later because that's 10,000. Okay, I'm like stuck down here. Let me out. There we go. Okay. A shack roof. Why is it always slanted? A door. Let's buy decorations. Nice, nice. Lighting. So this is the fishing shack, where they get the food and then they put it in the warehouse. So yes, I'm understanding. Decorations out here. Oh, for a second. Wait. Oh, here are the decorations. Is this Santa decoration? Okay, what did I just buy? I don't even know what oh, this thing. This thing right there. Okay, I have 10,000 left. Is there anything inside? No. So I'm gonna buy the fishing boat. Oh, it's a boat. Wow. Let's drive it and go to someone else's house. It's kind of slow, but it's faster than swimming, so yay. Look how beautiful it is outside. Is it just me or... Oh, for a second there I thought I was upside down. Like, what? But there we go. Okay. Ooh! Look how big my island is. Wait, I can draw something in here. Okay. I'm gonna draw a heart. This is kind of hard. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. We can't draw anything. Okay, I'm gonna draw a circle. Yes. No, okay, this is impossible. I'm gonna go back to my island. This is the fastest it can go. It's the 30 speed. This is kind of sad. No. Get me out! Get me out! There we go. Okay. I'm gonna respawn this so it's back where it goes. Let's see how much money I've made. Oh right, my money's not in here. Oh wait, there's more things to buy now that I've bought the fishing thing. Yeah, it's a trim and a dock. Nice. 40K. Wow. That was amazing. That was so much. What's it gone that long? Okay then. Wow. I'm gonna buy these things and then go for the I'm gonna buy this dock. Nice. Okay. Let's buy this trim. Whatever. Oh, that's a trim. And let's buy another trim speedboat for 60,000. And decorations. I'll buy these decorations. How am I gonna get 60,000? I mean, I got 40,000 that easily. Yes. Okay then. Oh, there's another thing over there to buy. Oh yeah, this is that's the forklift. Let me go back over here. Get this. Oh. Get that money. Okay, I got 42,000. This ATM or whatever it is, it's just squirting money. Just watch. It's just gonna squirt money out. Okay. I just need 5 more thousand. 4,000 or yeah, 4,000 more. Or 3,000. That's fine too. Okay, 2,000. Okay, I can get the forklift. Yes. So awesome. Let's get the forklift. Okay. Okay, so Q and E will raise these. So E raises it and Q lowers it. This is actually pretty fast. Well, no, it's not actually. Can I like lift these things? Woo! Wait, can I lift like these trees? Okay, Q. E. No, okay. But I think this thing is really cool. But I don't think it's worth 50,000. It's kind of slow. Oof. Oof. Ow. I think my forklift's stuck. Ow, it just poked me. 12,000 now. Wow. Nice. I'm just gonna buy this road over here. It's a long road. I want to see what I'm gonna be buying next. Like the next place I'm gonna have to get. This is actually a long Tycoon. Okay, it's a dirt path. Expand island. I'm just gonna expand the island real quick. I did nothing. Okay, well. Anyways, it will take me forever to get that speedboat, 50,000. So, I'm just gonna, buy that in the next episode. So, yeah, let me do my outro. Well, that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also smash the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But don't smash your screen because I don't want you to blame it on me. I'm gonna bring that back, guys. I'm gonna bring that back. Anyways, just watch the next episode to see me buy the speedboat and crash into many things with it. And maybe I'll also sneak into someone else's place. Bye, people from the outside of the screen.